morning, adventure seekers. It was August 18th. The Orcutt Donut Derelict Car Show. Got a newbie here today, and she is a beauty. Look at that paint job. I think he said 17 coats of clear on this thing. Custom headlights, custom hood. Beautiful. Is this thing beautiful or what? I need one. I need two. I'm going to Waller Park right after this. And if you're not there, you're... It's already? Yeah. You were already there? Yeah. All right. Well, Waller Park after this, adventure seekers. Get over there. A day in the park. But figure out who's going to show up at the derelicts today. And I'm glad I showed up. This is one beautiful custom Chevy. Talk about trucks. Here's one for me. Check out this old school custom 20 four-wheel drive with a serious monster engine. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Custom camper special. Thanks. All right. Talk about a beautiful truck. I need it. I'll trade you for mine. It's right over there for sale. Straight across.
Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah, this is perfect. Four-wheel drive, nice engine, beautiful truck. The interior's done up. Did you do this all yourself?
I did the interior.
Yeah.
I got it. The guy I got it from did the paint, had all that work done.
Wow. This is nice. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for, man. This makes those new ones look sick. It's a beautiful truck. All right, adventure seekers. This thing will take you wherever you want to go. All right, Ray still has his Nova. He built this thing from the ground up. If you want a nice Nova, give Ray a call or get in touch with me, and I'll get you in touch with Ray. This thing is dialed in. Of course, we got Ida's 37 Chevy business coupe. She means business when she cruises around with this 350 stroker. All right, corner Clark and Bradley every Sunday, unless it's raining. Put this together. It's free to enter. Bring whatever you got. Motorcycle, car, truck. We don't care. We just want to see it. Might win yourself something at 10 o'clock. And after 10, it's time to get back to business. Today, get over to Waller Park. All right, stay tuned. What else we got over here? Got the cool Chevy truck. Love patina. Paint job on this one. Chevy 3100. Dialed in. It's bed. And the Supreme. The Cutlass Supreme. Mama's old car. Brings back good memories, huh? I'll tell you that. El Camino, veteran owned. Thank you for your service, sir. I like it. El Camino. Got over here. We got Steve's Chevy truck, raspberry cream sickle. Love that color. Don't see it anywhere else but here. Great job on the bed too. Liking it. Dodge RT Charger street racing machine. Hemi Challenger. Pretty sweet. Alright, classic ride. Pontiac. Cool. Even the hood ornament is worth more than most vehicles. You don't see a beautiful car like this cruising around very often. Convertible action. Serious. Pontiac machine. Another Nova. Looking good.
Yeah, I would just go over there.
Why make you feel good
Like it.
like when you miserable?
Right.
Your goodies on the...
What's up, buddy?
I'll get it, yeah. Thank you.
my
On your
God.
seat. I didn't want to just take it. On your seat. Yeah, I left you Nova. Another fine looking machine. Two-tone paint job. The details. That 1935 action. Quite the design. A little newer, Dodge Demon 340. Look at that orange. A demon of a ride. Sweet. Close up with this power pack here. 340 6-pack. Looking good. Like a fun machine to cruise around. Little Radford's Customs. Chevrolet. Live on the floor. Racing seats. Racing harnesses. Love the engine work he does. Everything is so clean. Tucked in there. Nothing extra. When he puts a car together, he does it up right. Custom lights. Beautiful paint job.
No, man, I didn't bring it.
I like it.
But this is great.
A little El Camino action with a 283. Wow, that engine looks nice. Yeah.
Are you still doing the band?
Yeah. Not messing around with that engine. Hey, much man, how you doing today? 1947 Chevy Fleetline. Classic lines on this. Check out the interior. Original. It's still looking beautiful. Even the radio looks original. That wood grain in there. 1948 Fleetline Special. Bring a smile to your face driving this one around. True classic machine. 1931. Pert near 100 years old. Still looking like a fine ride to me. What a cool classic ride. Convertible action even. All right, adventure seekers. Little Bob's parting with his GMC 2500 long bed. Seats 6 comfortably. Only 65,000 miles. Brand new all-terrain tires on it. 2-wheel drive. V8 6-liter gas engine. It's ready. Ready to work. Give me a call in the comments, whatever you want. Get this to you. Comes with a 5th wheel hitch. Lowered tailgate, tonneau cover, 5th wheel hitch, 3-point trailer hitch, whatever you want. Diamond plate toolbox, got that too. You need it. So give me a call. I'm gonna move on. Buy myself a classic ride. Okay, let's see what else we got going on here today. The Derelict 1939 Ford. Beautiful looking ride. Cool looking lines. Back when they designed cars with pride. The bent axle action. 1956 Chevrolet step side. Look at the bed. Oh, great job on that. Looking good. Apache. Get a little close up of the interior there. Beautiful paint job. It's looking good.
So they don't make metal.
Look nice.
I made some. They were back here. They were so they make
Another custom Chevy truck. All right, the Toad. The Toad survives. Cruising on in. Each going machine. Get back to this Chevy truck. Love the tires and rims on this thing. Dialed in. Quite the cool stance. So I can put my quad in the back of that pretty easily. Get me a rock front in style. 350 V8. I need it. Maybe what I should get is a Mad Max. Craziness. This thing is a wild man's toy. Truck frame. With a Soto body on it. And you too could be Mad Max. Machine guns installed even. And they work. Don't mess with bad backs. Restored Ford Crestline. Restored to the original. Every detail done up right. Gotta like that. Even got the AM radio if you need it. Pretty cool. Retired Air Force Chevy Bel Air. Beauty. Two-tone, white top. You know what that color is? It looks cool. Thank you for your service. Nice looking Bel Air. Interior looks like it's done up right as well. Looking good. Little SS Camaro. Nice racing stripes. 350 V8. It's not messing around. It will get you where you need to go in a serious hurry. See those we got cruising on in. Leather Chevy Bel Air. Love that silver. Looking good. It's sounding good too. Liking it. Nice ride. Get a little close up of the Manx Toad. Did a great job on this one. Nothing but the bare necessities. Just fun. Nothing but pure fun driving around in a Toad. Nothing like Radford's Customs. He does engine work, you know it's done right. Super clean. Super clean red machine. Alright, Adventure Seekers, another one of my favorites. This has been customized to the bone. Love the ghost flames. Love the pinstriping. Custom hood. Dialed in engine. Kragers. What a beautiful 1940 ride. I tell you, they used to make cars classic. Love those lines. Curvaceous, to say the least. Looks like an old school Bel Air station wagon even. I see these too often. Looks pretty nice though. 1957. Radical. Looking good. Throw the whole family in. You could even go to the drive-in if they still had drive-ins.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, I am. Officially. Alright, Adventure Seekers. Opened up the workings for the Bel Air. Good looking engine. Nice silver and black interior. Cruising car. Old school Corvette. Fun little car. And the yellow machine. Work in progress. But still, a classic. Gotta have your classics. Cruising around in a car with style. My kind of shirt. If this flag offends you, I'll help you pack. I like your shirt, my friend.
Thank you. Yes,
America, love it or leave it. At least we're free. If you don't like it, hasta la vista. Right. Beautiful. Original owner. Passed it down to the grandkids. What a beautiful machine. Talk about custom. Oldsmobile body. Strap it onto a Corvette frame and engine. And you too could have a super customized ride. Took him years to do, but it was worth it. This is one seriously nice ride. Alright, nice looking Corvette. Like brand spanking new. Alright, good looking Corvette Grand Sport Edition. One fun looking ride, if you ask me. And at the opposite end of the spectrum, get yourself Ram Longhorn 4x4. Serious work truck. 3500 Cummins turbo diesel. Think I need one. I need it. Alright, expose the inner workings. Beautiful engine on this thing. Dual carb action. Ready to run. It's a beautiful ride. Wow. Get a little close up of this Corvette. Nice red Corvette. Gotta love it. They've done a good work on the lines of this new ones. We'll give them that. At least the Corvette designers did something different. Look, Ricky Racerish. Fun. Rolling on in. 1915 Ford. Original engine. Original oil can even looks like. Got that serious carburation. Wow. Still sounding good. After 100 years. 1915 Ford Model T touring car. Get you wherever you want to go. Go places most four-wheel drives wouldn't even go. Stickers, the Viper action, looking good. Viper RT10 convertible, sounding good. What a fun-looking car. Dodge did it right when they made the Viper. Some classic lines on this. All right. I saw that smile when you were driving in with this thing. That's hard not to when you know you got to ride this cool. All right, we got to get the CUDA. Mopar action. 3 carburetors and they all work. Just depends upon how heavy your foot is. Love the red and black details. Barracuda. Liking it. 340 cubic inches of Mopar meanness. A little Ford Raptor action sneaking in on me. That short box though. Couldn't even fit my quad in that, but the Raptors are always a classic machine. Little Baja action. Alright, straight from the factory. Just the Baja action in this. Little Raptor. Alright. Viper. Open it up. Hood. Expose the innards. Love the intake on that thing. Quite the unique engine on this beast. Nice looking ride. Serious air volume goes through that engine. You need it. You need to have 2 of them. Just in case one. Alright. The Demon. It sounds like a demon. Oh, my house. One complete sounding ride. Dodge Power. Almost forgot the custom Chevy truck. Love the flames on this thing. One nice looking old school truck. Customized interior. Tubbed out. So get those big fat meats on the back. D. Pedro Racing Machine. Sweet. If you're fishing around for a cool ride, let me know.